This is the Anglesey village of Bryngwran. We're standing here on the A5 road looking south. Bangor is around about 20 miles distant that way. And as we come around, the road goes down on the other side. Holyhead round about 6 or 7 miles. And the object here in Bryngwran is the village memorial, where we see we have the Celtic cross. And looking down, the structure of the names of the men. Remarkable because people are listed by name and address, also by where they actually met their death, which is unusual. And even more unusual is their date of death and their age. So at the top there we've got Private John Roberts at T Melin, RWF for Mamets Wood, Corff Noi, 1916, Oedd Deg yr Oeth, 1945, Chwech Saith Oeth Noi Deg, 11. This little community is the last staging post for the old route into Holyhead along the A5, and the pub in the distance there, which is showing the Eisteddfod sign above, Old Order, just a few miles away. The Arms, the Iorwerth Arms, now under community ownership. So this, on a very windy Anglesey morning, the glaw and a gwint, is the 11th of August 2017, and this is the quite remarkable memorial in this settlement.